this is a quick video showing you how Tailwind works. It's Alison Solvin in Canada, and I just wanted to show you how fast and easy it is to use Tailwind. So the first thing I do is open up the post that I want to pin from, because you want your pins to go back to the blog post so that your customers can find the actual corresponding blog post. So when you go up here, I have, uploaded a little button. There's a technical name, but it's too late here and I can't remember the name, but you can download this so that it's up in your address toolbar here, so that when I click on the Tailwind, it opens up all the images in that blog post. So then I can go through here and select all the ones that I want, and then I go scheduled, and then it opens Tailwind for me, and then here they are. And then I can go ahead and add the boards that I want to send it to, or I can just go back out and go to the next post and keep adding and adding, and then when I'm ready I can go and set up all the ones I have in my draft to post when I want. Now if I wanted to post this, I would actually type in here the board name that I want it to go to, and I usually select quite a few, but this one is occasions, so I can choose the 2019 occasions, and it's a masculine card, so I'll just add that for now. And then I can have it connect with my Facebook page or my personal Facebook wall. This is my business page. Or Twitter. I can do it all at the same time. If you're in a tribe, you can add it to a tribe. And then there's a new function on Twitter called Smart Loop, but I won't talk about that right now. Right here shows the URL for this pin. So if somebody were to click on this in Pinterest, it's going to take them back to this blog post because I've grabbed the photos from that blog post. Hope that makes sense. I can go and add it to the queue now, or I can use an interval. So let's say I didn't want this to go out until next week. I can change this to any date I want at any time, and I can have they'll be set to 2 boards, so I can have it 1 day apart, or I can set this to whatever I want. And now I'm doing this really quickly. Sorry, just it was a quick question on Kylie's group right now. Or I can send it to open time slots. So I've got a whole bunch of things ready to go. I can actually choose that. Can you fill in all the blanks, or can you pin it at the best possible time, or I can do it at an exact time. And then when you're ready, you just click schedule now, and it's going to go over into my Tailwind. Your pins have been added to your queue. Okay, so that's how you can see how quickly this would be, because I could just go to the next blog post here, and again I can go up here to my little Tailwind, click, 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 and go schedule, and I can just keep going and going and going. And so it's really great. It's been a huge time saver for me and makes me much more productive. Oh, the other thing too is, let's say you wanted to put all of these, because these are all from I don't have to go individually and put all the little board names. If they're all going to the same board, I can do this occasions catalog, and I can do masculine, and you can set up different I can't even think. I'm sorry, guys. It's late. You can set up a whole bunch of groups of boards. So, for instance, I have one that I do with my border buddy, and that opens. You can see how many it puts there. Okay, because it puts all 3 of them at the same time. So anyway, that's how you do it, and I hope that's been helpful. Thanks.